What's up, people? I'm now in Koln and it's really crazy here. The Autobahn, all of Autobahn 1, Autobahn 61, everything is full here. 4 also, and where am I now? I'm Freche now, driving to. I'm going around the Koln to Leverkusen, then left on to Neuss and Düsseldorf. I have to go to Essen and then Gladbeck, or so I have to make some pause and I need to call the customer. I have 1 hour 23 minutes until there, and 1 hour 10 minutes. I will make pause on these two, first 11 kilometers or second. I will try to find place to make 30 minutes pause and then go forward. I don't see anything through these sunglasses. It's so filthy. Okay. Now it's better. It's half so. Yes. It's really, Autobahn is full most of the, but this is normal here. My old company, this is normal here. It's Friday, it's 12 o'clock, and this area is full of traffic all the time. Koln, Bonn, Leverkusen, Essen, Bochum over there, Gladbeck, Dortmund, Hagen, everything. Look at the old Mercedes. Whoa! 50 years old maybe. It's a very nice day. 10 degrees. 3 hours before it was -2 in 50 kilometers from here, and now it's 10 degrees. So about 9 o'clock, half 9, it was -2. So it's crazy, but it is nice. I was just finished this pause and make some coffee, and voila, drive further. I like to drive when these days, when it's sunny days, when everything is clear, and it's great. No matter how much degrees, for me it's ideal. 10, 15 until 20 degrees for me is perfect. 0 is okay, no problem. Only when it's dry, everything, there is no water or slippery roads and everything. What's happening? I hear the sirens. I was cleaning the windows, but not so good. I must again do it now when I stop. Okay, I have to go to Düsseldorf, Krefeld, Düsseldorf, okay? Have to follow 57 Autobahn. I'm now on Autobahn 1, and this Autobahn goes straight through Leverkusen, but there is one bridge over there on Rhine River, and it's forbidden for trucks. and I have to go around. Parallel is Autobahn 3, Autobahn 1, on the right side is Autobahn 4, so it's really around the Koln is too much traffic, too much cars, too much trucks and everything. But this is good. There is no only 2 minutes delay. It's perfect. If stay like this. If nothing's happen unexpected, unexpectable. Okay. Yeah, this is the sign. This is forbidden for trucks and also for car wider than 2.3 meters. I didn't see this sign before. Yeah, I see. Yeah, exactly. Look. It's forbidden for cars wider than 2.3 meters. So if you have BMW X6 or maybe GLA, GLC, Audi A8, it will be tight, it will be tight. I didn't measure any, I didn't see the measure of this car, but I think the whole car must go. Only the buses, small buses, vans. There is a moment, Krefeld. 57. No, here is good. Here is good. Okay.
Keep left.
Okay. Hido. Oh, they have construction here at the next bridge also.
After 400 meters, keep right. In the direction of Krefeld. Keep right. Sharp curve right. After 400 meters, keep left. In the direction of Neuse. Keep left. Please follow the route for 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers. There's a plane turn on the left. Here is also airport. In Koln there's an airport. Okay. "19 kilometers straight ahead." Sorry about this, but after eat, I all the time have to sleep a little bit. Maybe I will sleep 30 minutes. We'll see. I just want I will try to find parking place here maybe, and I just wanted to show you some traffic circulation in this time in this area, and only to have in your mind what happening in some area on also on Autobahn. Or will I have a luck? No, I will not. This guy will stop here. Okay, have to walk further. And of course, in this time everything is full. But no, maybe here, but if these cars go out, I can stay here. If not, no, he doesn't want to go. Okay, I will try to put my truck here, but it is impossible. No. Okay. It's not enough place here. I have to drive 12 more kilometers. In this area I have 1 hour more to find place, but I'm afraid of something like this, you know. You have 2 parking places in 1 hour and all of them are full, and you think, yeah, I have 1 hour, I will find parking place, it's only 30 minutes to stay. But I was a couple of times didn't make it, so drive to industrial area, drive to city, only get out from the Autobahn, and then you have mistake in your car, then shit. Dormagen. Oh, Dormagen is here. I should be here. The next parking is 9.5 kilometers, and it's with tank station. It's supposed to be a big parking, I think. Shell. Yeah, it's big parking place. It has to be. I don't like these small parkings. I like you. Parallel from this side now, from the right side is Autobahn 3, and when I finish I have to go back. I think it will be too much traffic later. I have 7 more hours. Okay, when I finish this, how much I have until home? 4:30 together, okay? 4 o'clock, 4:15, a little bit break until 5, okay? Unload 6, 2 places maximum. So I have 1 hour to arrive home. I can have delay in traffic and everything. right side is big factory in Dermagen. I think it's chemical factory or something like that. It's really, really big. I'm now thinking to clean my truck or to sleep a little bit. Shit. If it's 20, I will sleep. It's this. If it's 20, I will sleep. Okay. It's not 20. I have to clean. It's not 20. Shit. Until there they have Lavazza cafe. Nice. I'm most satisfied with Lavazza. I try many of this coffee, but Lavazza is since now the best for me. When I was this summer in Italy, they have really great coffee, and I think it's Lavazza or Segafredo, I think. Lavazza Segafredo, sorry. But it was really great and not too expensive. It's €1 here on the bars, you know, beach bars, and I don't know. And here in Germany, 2.5, €3. Shit. Okay. It's forbidden. Okay. I like you. Okay. I will stay a little bit here. Okay. And make some pause. See you guys in some of the next videos. Have a nice day.